Good afternoon, everyone. It is January the 5th, 2020. My first video of the year. Hope everybody is doing well and had good New Year's, good holidays. Our weather is spectacular. It is, according to the old Indian temperature gauge, 79 degrees. Not bad for a January. Hard to predict the weather nowadays, calling for more of the same for this coming week and then maybe some rain towards the weekend. It is a Sunday, so Sunday means we got to ride. It's hard to dress with all this change in weather. Fortunately, I've got a nice jacket on with a zip-in, zip-out liner. Still have my liner in. I'm a cold-blooded person, it seems. I don't take to winter too much. That's why we live here in Central Texas. The biggest news I've got is I'm just finding out yesterday we had a gender reveal party and my daughter and her husband are expecting their first a baby girl. So congratulations. Congratulations to the lovely couple. Baby is due in June. They already have a name picked out, Layton. I'm excited to say. They both like that name, so that's what it was. So if you all have been to a gender reveal party, they tricked me. They said there's going to be a little baby doll inside with proper parts for either boy or girl, but instead the cake revealed a pink filling, which means there's a girl coming, which they're both real pleased about. I'm real pleased about. That'll be my fourth granddaughter, 2 grandsons. It's all good. Life is good. Not much new on the motorcycles. Just a little maintenance not that long ago. Changed the oil in the Goldwing. And that went pretty well. I bought videos from Fred Harmon that explain the procedure. It's not a difficult procedure, but it's 3 drain bolts and an oil filter and a transmission filter. So oil changes are getting a bit more complicated. Nothing we can handle. I ordered all the stuff in advance from Partzilla, and I'm taking to watching YouTube videos to teach me how to do all this stuff. Not that I've not changed the oil in my motorcycles before, but this time a bit more complicated with the 3 bolts and the 2 filters. All went well. I think the next oil change on that bike is another 8,000 miles, so we're good to go for quite some time. I also changed the oil in my pickup truck. So I got a Toyota Tundra, and I went by the dealer. They told me there was a 2.5-hour wait, and I said, well, I'd rather be underneath the car than sit in the waiting room for 2.5 hours. So I did it myself. That's also a little bit more complicated oil change. They're using a different type of cartridge filter instead of a spin-on filter. So I had to learn all about that, and YouTube once again's blessing. So kudos to those that put this stuff on YouTube, and thanks for sharing. Other than the oil changes, no other maintenance was done. I did add a module to the Indian. I think it's called the Badlands module for the front. And what it does is it leaves the turn signals on all the time, which were normally off. And I don't mean flashing all the time, but I mean that they stay bright like a running light. So in the front, if you don't see me coming now, it's your own darn fault. We've got a headlight. We've got driving lights, and now we've got the turn signal lights. So pretty visible. All in all, it's a beautiful day here in Central Texas. Hope you are enjoying similar weather and get out on your motorcycle today or sometime this weekend. I saw a lot of bikes out today. Just came off a curvy section. There was a two-up Harley rider. He and his lady on the back. We're going real nice for a while behind me, and then all of a sudden they passed me on the curves and going, I don't know, 10 miles over the speed limit. Each to his own. At my age, I'm good with the speed limit or a little bit over, but I'm not out to kill it or myself. So having said that, which is a mouthful, y'all take care. Y'all be safe out there, and we will talk with you later. Bye-bye.